As a home brewer, sometimes you have those aspirations of opening your own craft brewery, but there's a lot more to it than just brewing the beer. There's a whole business side of it that you need to learn as well. And we're going to hear more about that right after a word from our sponsor.
Brand your brew with Sticker U. Sticker U's online design editor allows you to upload and design your own custom, professional-grade craft brew labels in any shape, any size, and any quantity. Sticker U. Make what matters stick.
I'm here in the Portland State University booth, and I am with Nicole, and she's going to tell us a little bit about a program that can help you with that business side and beyond. Nicole?
Thanks, Brian. Yeah, so at Portland State University, based in Portland, Oregon, we have an online educational program that is focused on the business side of craft brewing. So this is for anyone who is interested maybe one day in establishing a brewery, or people who just want to learn more about the business side of things. And what is really exciting about this program is that we know that people have a lot of passion around their product, and then the program ends up being a little bit more of a reality check for folks to be able to guide them through what it really takes to, establish a brewery or a cidery, and just basically get all of their ducks in a row so that they can have a successful business. By the end of the program, you can have a solid business plan in place. We have experts from different areas that are able to work with students on a case-by-case basis to kind of go over their, financials, talk about marketing, talk about distribution, and all the different experts are able to weigh in along with guest speakers so that students have a lot of opportunity to learn and, hopefully make their dreams become a reality.
Right, so this is probably, like you said, a reality check. So it's probably something that an aspiring craft brewer that's a home brewer probably should look into before they just go get in the space and buying the equipment and all that stuff. Because I myself have actually looked into doing it, and I got that reality check, and I went, maybe not. So yeah. I think it's great that you guys do have a program for that. And where can they find you guys?
Sure. So we're an online program. So you just go to the Portland State University Center for Executive and Professional Education's website.
That's a mouthful.
It is, yes. But we have it. Here it is.
Okay. Right here.
pdx.edu/CEPs/BCB. And you can find more information. And it's great. We actually had an alum who stopped by our booth the other day,
Awesome.
And he said, it was one of the most valuable experiences, not because he established a brewery, but because he decided that it was time to wait, and that was just as valuable, I think, to him.
Yeah, you can wrap up a ton of money in buying a space and equipment and all that stuff, only to maybe realize that, oh my gosh, this is maybe not, I don't want to go all in on this or whatever. So this might be a great first step for somebody to find out if, hey, I need to wait a little bit before I go on this venture. So
absolutely.
For more great coverage at NHC 2019, hit the subscribe button down below. For other videos we think you'll enjoy, go ahead and hit the screen over here or down here with a couple other videos. This has been Brian for Short Circuited Brewers. We'll see you on the next video.